Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for jobs on the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the jobs button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that tap on the search jobs bar at the top of the screen and start typing in your key skills, designations and the company name that you are looking for and the location. Then click on the search jobs button, and here you can find the available positions. If you would like to, you can apply filters to narrow down your search by adding location, work mode, experience, freshness, salary, role, education, and so on. After selecting the relevant ones you would like to apply, just click on this apply filters button, and then you will be able to narrow down your search. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.